So how to install DCU Digital Banking app. So here's the app. You can just type get and install it. Double click to install, and here you have the app. Digital banking experience and also financial assistance. Get a glimpse of your financial future. Make empowered payment decisions. Take control of your financial wellness. Who can say what the future holds? Future Look can for a brighter future. DCU's digital banking platform brings together innovative tools and unique features that put you in the financial driver's seat. You can deposit checks, transfer money, view your balance, and a whole lot more. Take control of your money. Future Look helps you see into your financial future with an easy-to-read forecast based on your current choices. Our easy-to-use payment planner can help you pay off your loans even faster. So that's basically the idea, and then you can just open it up. And then in this app, you can only log in. So you need to already have an account available, which you created via web version. So that's that. Hope it's helpful.